India. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very different type of video. I am doing kind of like a craft project. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we will be making waist beads today. So if you are not new to my channel, then you probably already know that I am on a spiritual journey, and so I did want to incorporate these into kind of like my spiritual routine. Waist beads are great for monitoring weight loss, so that's like a main thing that a lot of people use them for, but they're also really great for just protecting the womb, for fertility. They're a sign I'm not trying to get pregnant, by the way, but it's always great to just protect your womb as a woman, and so waist beads just signify femininity. So I thought it was a great idea to go ahead and bring some of these in, and I wanted to do them in the colors of the chakras that I am working on. So super excited to be sharing this with you guys today. I am going to show you like all my products on the table. You'll get to see, but I'll just go ahead and show y'all my beads and stuff that I got. So I literally went to Michael's this morning. I spent about $40 on everything that I got, but I had so much left over. I can make tons of waist beads with these. So here are the different ones that I got. Each of these was about like, I think $4.99 or so. Maybe the smaller one was like $2 or $3. And then I got this stretch magic, which says just strong and stretchy, resistant and flexible, and this is basically just like elastic string that you can use so that your waist beads can just slip on you. You can make them with like a clasp so that they come on and off that way, and you can also make them permanent, which these aren't permanent because they're elastic, but if you make the permanent ones, you'll do them with string and then literally just tie it, and then it literally cannot move. So they do sell that string as well. That's probably the best one if you're trying to use this for weight loss, so you can actually know exactly, you know, how big your waist is, and you'll really know as you start to slim down that your waist bead's starting to hang lower as well. So yeah, and then you're also going to need some scissors as well, and you're going to see this little clip thingy in the video. This is like a jewelry clip, and you can just use this to like clip on to here. So basically what I did was you'll see it in the video though, I went ahead and knotted it on one side, and then I strung I did all the beads, and then after that I was able to just kind of like hold it down like this so that I could measure it before I went ahead and cut. So you can do that as well. And then I used 2 sets of jewelry pliers. So these are like the rounded ones, and then these are the ones with the little teeth on them that you can actually like use to like fasten things together like lobster claws and stuff. So I did not buy these today. I have actually been, well, I won't say that I don't do it anymore, but I used to make jewelry quite a lot when I was a kid, but somewhere between the ages of probably like 10 and maybe 15 or so, maybe even 9 and 15, I really don't know, but somewhere around there. And actually used to make it and like sell it, and my mom would bring it to work and like sell it. People would buy it and stuff, so that was so great. So yeah, these are actually my tools out of my jewelry box. They do sell these at Michael's. I do not know how much they are a piece, but they do have these in the jewelry department if you guys want to get it, and you're gonna need it if you do choose to add like charms and stuff. So they just call these literally charms, charm along. You get 24 of these, and you get all different colors, literally all different colors. There's pinks, greens, purples. I use the blue and like the kind of turquoise color, the red and the pink out of this. And so if you do want to add charms, you are definitely going to need both of these tools. So what you're actually going to do is take this off of here. So I'll actually just go ahead and remove one so you guys can see. And once you take it off, you're gonna have this little piece of wire thing that came from the back. So it's literally gonna look just like this, and I'm gonna show you guys right here how it has this little thing here. And so you literally just want to hold it with your round one, and then with this one you want to slide it in as well, and then you'll just open it just a little bit, and you guys can see when it opens just a little bit, you can get the string through there. And so you'll actually just be able to slide it right on, and then you'll use the one with like the teeth to do like this and close it. And that's how it's going to stay attached to your waist bead. And so what on here, and then I went ahead and inserted my charms afterwards. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a little clip of me, but before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe, sis. Hit your notification bell down below so that you never miss an upload. I keep telling y'all the YouTube algorithm is crazy, so if you like my videos and you do want to see them, make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up so that you can be notified when I post new uploads. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the clip of me actually making the waist beads. Just me stringing everything, and you can get super duper creative with these. You can do absolutely any colors that you want. You can make it just multicolored and fun. You can pick a specific color. You can do yours based on chakras or do yours based on whatever you're working on at the time. So yeah, you really get to be super creative with these and really do anything that you want. I kind of try to think about the pattern that I want to do ahead of time, but obviously you guys can see it's nothing super complicated, and I'll show you guys up close. So My blue one is probably the most complicated of all. But yeah, really, really pretty. Absolutely love this one. And then you have the orange and yellow with the white, and then the pink and the red. And I use the charms for these as well. So absolutely love these, you guys. Love these so much. So I would definitely be wearing them. And by the way, I did sage everything. I did not show that. I may show it. I may do it again and show you guys. But yeah, I did go ahead and just sage everything. So be sure that you do this to just go ahead and cleanse everything that you've purchased. And just really, you know, set your intentions before you put your waist beads on. I mean, this is kind of like a spiritual thing. Of course, you can wear waist beads, you know, just as jewelry or whatever if you're not into like the spirituality thing. And the real reason for the waist beads, maybe you're just using them for weight loss, whatever. But nonetheless, you guys, if you are using them for spiritual purposes, definitely go ahead and use some sage or some Palo Santos or some Florida water or something, and just go ahead and cleanse everything before you wear them. So yeah, so excited that I was able to share this with you guys today. If you guys like craft type videos, definitely let me know and maybe I'll throw up a few more for you guys. I don't do a lot of crafts anymore, but I used to do tons. When I was younger, I'm very much like artsy. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.